Hello. On this lecture, we are continuing with the rhythms exercises. The African music has got very interesting rhythms, so the same applies to Mbira guitar. So the notes that I am using on this lesson are the same notes I've been using in the two previous exercises, but I'm using different rhythms. So the main thing that's different is the rhythmic element. So the notes I'll be using on this melody goes like this. I'm going to play it slowly, then I'll play it with the backtrack. Those are the only notes that I'll be using in this melody. Since there's a tablature standard notation on the screen, you can slow it down and take your time to learn the melody. One thing I need to point out is for you to be in time with the speed on your right hand, it's advisable to use alternate picking. Alternate picking is whereby you use downstroke and upstrokes at the same time. So for example, I use a downstroke, then a downstroke and upstroke on the same string. So if I'm going to play it fast, like I'll be able to be in time with the tempo. But if I use downstrokes alone or upstrokes alone, I think even my arm will start hurting. So that's another tip. So let's play the tune with the backtrack.
Monolio Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.